In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download DuckStation app on Android. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to enjoy your favorite PlayStation games on your mobile device. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app with a colorful triangular icon. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying a variety of apps and games. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps, ensuring you get the latest and safest version of DuckStation. Next, search for DuckStation. You can do this by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in DuckStation and hit enter or tap the search icon. Once the search results appear, look for DuckStation in the list. You may also directly open the official Play Store page by entering DuckStation on Google Play in your browser. This step is essential as it helps you locate the app quickly and ensures you are downloading the correct application. After locating DuckStation, tap the Install button. This button is typically green and located near the app name. Once you tap it, the app will start downloading. You will see a progress indicator showing how much of the app has been downloaded. It's important to wait for this process to complete, as interrupting it could cause issues with the installation. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This button will appear in place of the Install button. Tapping Open will launch DuckStation for the first time. You may see a welcome screen or an introductory animation as the app opens. This action confirms that DuckStation is now part of your app collection and ready for use. From here, follow the initial setup wizard. The wizard will guide you through the necessary setup steps to ensure the app operates correctly on your device. Pay attention to the prompts as they will provide valuable information about the app's features. This step is important because it helps configure DuckStation to work optimally on your device, making your gaming experience better. Next, you will need to provide a PlayStation BIOS dumped from your own console. This is a crucial step because DuckStation does not include a BIOS for legal reasons. You will need to have access to a PlayStation console to obtain this file. The app may provide instructions on how to locate the BIOS file within your console. Ensuring you have this file is vital as it allows the emulator to run your games properly. After that, add a folder containing your legally owned PS1 game backups. Supported formats include bin/q, ISO, CHD, IMG, ECM, MDS, and PBP. You can do this by navigating to the Settings or Menu option in DuckStation and selecting the folder where your games are stored. This step is important because it allows DuckStation to access the games you want to play, ensuring you can enjoy your PS1 classics. Finally, select a game to start playing. Once your games are added, browse through your collection and tap on the title you wish to play. DuckStation will load your game and you can start enjoying the experience. This last step is where the fun begins, as you'll be able to relive those classic gaming moments right on your Android device. Enjoy your gaming.